manipulating strings. Why is this useful? So let's talk about this command first before we talk about why manipulating strings is useful. So it says print Peppa plus pig. Okay, so I guess that it would print Peppa and then pig. So let's run it and see what we get. So we get Peppa and then pig. We're right. But what if I wanted a space between Peppa and pig? Then what? So this addition sign right here just slams the two words together and gives the output. It doesn't put a space between the two words, as you can see here. But how would I get that space? Well, there are three things that you could do. You could either put a space in front of the pig. You can see that worked. Okay, or you could put a space after Peppa. That also worked. Or if you don't want a space, then you can just put a comma instead of an addition sign. And what the comma does is that it does the work of an addition sign, but it also puts in a space. So we can see that worked out well as well. So I prefer this comma method because it just seems simpler to me, but anything will work as long as we get this output. We're going to manipulate a string this way. What if I wanted to print Peppa Pig 10 times? So one way you could do it is that you could write the command print Peppa Pig 10 times, and that would work. It's 10 times. You may say like, oh, that's not a lot of work. I just have to do it 10 times. I can copy and paste. But then what if you had to do it 100 times? Would you hard code it? Well, to me, it seems like trying to put the command print Peppa Pig 100 times is not that time efficient. So this is a command that is time efficient and is super simple. So it says print Peppa Pig times 10. So it's going to print Peppa Pig 10 times, as you can see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I wanted it to do 100 times, it would give me that. I could do like a big number like this. And you can see like it just keeps going on and on and on and on. So if we wanted to print like a word a bunch of times, this is a way easier way of doing it than just hard coding it. Now, let's talk about why manipulating strings is useful. So as you can see, when we added the strings together, whether using it with addition sign or comma, that might be a question in, say, any sort of test or something. If you needed to put two strings together, that would be what you use. If you wanted to print a string multiple times but you don't want to repeatedly code it, then use this one.